Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, we are going to create a family tree in Microsoft Word quickly and professionally. You do not need any special design skills for this. Word has built-in tools that make the process incredibly easy. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a new blank document. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Click on the SmartArt icon in the Illustrations group. This will open a new window with various graphic options. On the left side of this window, select Hierarchy. You will see several structure layouts that are perfect for a family tree. Choose the one that best fits your vision and click OK. Now the basic structure of your family tree will appear on the page. To add names, simply click on any of the text boxes within the diagram and start typing. If you need to add more family members, click on an existing box. Then look up at the SmartArt Design tab on your ribbon and click Add Shape. You can choose to add a shape below, above, or next to the current one, depending on the family relationship. Alternatively, you can use the text pane on the left side of the graphic to easily add new branches by simply pressing Enter. To make your family tree look unique, stay on the SmartArt Design tab. Here, you can click Change Colors to match your preference and apply different styles to give the boxes a polished look. You can also change the fonts by going back to the Home tab, just like you would with regular text. That is all it takes. Your family tree is now complete and ready to be saved or printed. If this guide was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. See you in the next video,